If you are looking for a trading platform to fulfill all of your trading needs, then you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at Ctrader. We're also having a look at Tradelocker. We want to know what they actually do and how they can benefit you. So let's dive in. All right, having a look at Ctrader, which is a professional forex and CFD trading platform. It offers a comprehensive experience. Their trading ecosystem is designed for serious traders who demand precision, speed, and advanced functionality in the global financial markets. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. So you can trade forex, CFDs, and commodities on one unified platform with advanced charting tools and real-time market data. You can drag and drop your layout customization, which lets you create a personalized workflow that matches your trading style and your preferences. And it offers level 2 pricing and market depth integrations, which ensure precise order execution with transparent market access. The last thing over here that we're going to have a look at is its automated trading and its algorithmic strategies. So it has a built-in development environment for creating sophisticated trading bots and custom indicators using C programming language. It also has a very comprehensive backtesting optimization tool. This can help you refine your algorithmic strategies before live deployment. And then you can deploy your trading algorithms with confidence, knowing that they'll execute trades 24/7 based on your predefined criteria. Okay, looking at Tradelocker now. So if you're looking for secure trade management as well as automation, Tradelocker is an advanced cloud-based solution. It's revolutionizing how traders manage, monitor, and automate their trading operations across multiple accounts and multiple brokers. Being a cloud-based trade execution, let us see what more they have to offer. So you can manage your trades across multiple brokers and accounts from one unified dashboard, eliminating the complexity of switching platforms. It also gives you real-time alerts, so you can stay informed with instant trade alerts and marketing notifications delivered directly to your preferred device. And then it offers military-grade encryption protocols, which ensure your trading data and personal information remain completely secure and private. Some of their advanced risk management tools. So they have automated order management. So you can set up automated stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop orders that execute automatically based on your risk parameters and your market conditions. You can define and customize risk parameters tailored to your trading strategy. This can help you protect your capital while optimizing potential returns. Then your performance analytics. You can access detailed trade analytics and a comprehensive performance report that provides insights for making more informed trading decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, it is no lie that there's a lot of competition out there. My advice is always to go and check which software platform actually works for your specific use case and put it into a real life scenario and use it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.